The process as below. This plant is for alluvial tin processing. It is configured with vibration feeder, trommel, scrubber, jig separator, dewatering screen, hammer crusher, shaking table, spiral dewatering machine, high-frequency vibration screen, VAR disc dry magnetic separator, and belt conveyor, etc. This plant is designed with 30 TF input feeding capacity. We can also design with 50 TP, 100 TP, etc. 1. The raw ore will be fed into the raw ore hopper above the vibration feeder by excavator or wheel loader, etc. The vibration feeder designed with grizzly bar gap is 70 mm, which can feed larger than 70 meters into a trommel scrubber evenly. 2. The less than 70 meter goes to the trommel scrubber for washing. The trommel scrubber is designed with screen part, 2 layers of screen with aperture 7 mm and 25 mm. Later, we can get 3 kinds outputs: 0, 7 mm, 7, 25 mm, and larger than 25 mm. 3. After washed by the trommel scrubber, the larger than 25 mm will go to the belt conveyor and be sent to the stockpile. 7 to 25 mm will go to one set rough jig separators for first coarse tin separation, then the concentrate will go to a cleaner jig separator accordingly for further separation. 0.7 inliner goes to another rough jig separator for enrichment, then the concentrate will also go to a cleaner jig separator for further separation. The tailings of rough jig separator will go to one scavenging jig for concentrating again. These circled loop jigs here can improve the recovery rate here. 4. All the final concentrates from the jigs will go to a dewatering screen for dewatering first, because there is a lot of water coming out together with the concentrates. 5. After dewatering, then overscreen particles will go to the hammer crusher by belt conveyor. The underscreen will be pumped to a mixing tank by a slurry pump. 6. The output from the hammer crusher will flow into the same agitated mixing tank by gravity flow. 7. The shaking table for further separation to get more purity tin concentrates. 8. The concentrates from the shaking table need to be dried in the sun directly. Then you can put the dry concentrates to 3 discs dry magnetic separators for refining and get kind high purity tin concentrates. All the tailings from these jig separators and tailings from shaking table will go to spiral dewatering machine for dewatering first, and then go to high-frequency vibration screen for screening. Then get the final tailing coarse sand and small sand 2 kinds product.